Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these awesome little sneakers that I got. I love these. They are so lightweight. So they're perfect for doing errands. I got them for support around the house when I'm doing like cleaning and things like that. So that I just have a little extra foot support. So as you can see, they're pretty flexible. They are this like fabric material. This is in the gray color. They kind of cinch at the ankle here, and then they have the like fake laces. But they are very comfortable. They're so lightweight, which is awesome. A few of my friends have even gotten these at the same time because they're so great. They're just such a nice, inexpensive shoe that's great for popping on and looking cute. So I definitely think you should try these out, and that is my point of view.